6:40 Mountain Time. Town, West Yellowstone.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here. Isn't there a lot of people here?
Yes, there is.
Oh, that's a pretty cool.
Well, I don't know. I think we have to pay to get in, right? Yes. There are entrance fees. Okay, let me zoom in.
Oh, shit.
How much?
$25 per week.
I see. Wow.
Annual pass is $50.
Really? Do we need an annual pass?
Don't we have them? Don't we have a pass?
It's individual. That's per person. It's valid. $25 is valid for 7 days. So
Daddy here.
enough.
Daddy here.
So we're at the entrance to Yellowstone.
$25.
I think there's a $5 in the back on the other side. I'm not sure.